Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la.
Hey beautiful people, today I'll be bringing you a tutorial on how to get this cute protective crochet style that you see here, and it is completely braidless. This is the hair that I'll be working with today. I used 2 packs of the Wand Curl Braid by Model. Let's get into it. Okay, yes, this is a no braid hairstyle, literally no braids. All I did was tie my hair up in the back, and I'm about to slick my hair up in the front. As you know, you want the slick look in the front, and then the curly hair is going to be in the back. So let's get to slicking really quick. All I use is this what's it called? The Neat Braid Conditioning Gel. This is what I use when I do braids. So I use this, and then this isn't really like a gel or anything. Like, it's not gonna hold it in place for a long time, but it's sturdy enough. It's almost like a jam, you know, but jam is way too light. That's why I don't use that. So I use this. Oh God. I use this. You see? It's like a jam, but it's not a jam. Stronger than jam. And I love it. But it's not gonna hold like a gel, if that makes sense. So because it's not gonna hold like a gel, I'm going to add just a little bit of gel on top. And I only add a little bit because gel be flaking, and I hate that when it be flaking, because you know when you're not quite done with your hairstyle, but you gotta be done with it because your hair is flaking because of the gel. That's why I hate gel. I don't got time for that. First of all, I know y'all see my edges is going. I don't know what the hell happened. Hold please. I don't know what incarnation is going on, but I got a trick. I got a trick. You'll see. I got a trick for that ass. My edge is acting crazy. It's about to turn 30, and that's when my edge is gonna start acting crazy, homie. But it's okay. You're gonna take your hair. This is my first time doing this, you guys, so if it don't look right, I'm gonna be highly upset. I already kind of feel like this is gonna be a little bit of a disaster, but we gonna see. We're just gonna take the hair. And your crochet hook. And you guys already know how to crochet because you guys watched my first video. Yes, you did. All right. So you're gonna take a crochet hook. Literally just, I'm gonna start at the bottom. Turn around so you guys can see. I'm going to start in the back on the bottom and just literally put the crochet hook through, hook it on, close it, pull it through, right. You're gonna grab the loop and just go like that. That's it. That's all you're doing. You see how it's attached there? That's it. That's it. And you're just gonna keep attaching it. Just like that. You see, it's in there. It's in there. It's not going. It's in there. Now we're about to do this. We're about to do this. So all I'm doing is continuing to fill in the spaces in the back. Just continue filling it all up. I have like a big gap right here. I'm gonna continue filling up, and then after that, we are gonna get to the ponytail. We're gonna get to our little bun on top. Take a little crochet hook, put it through your hair. Literally just put it through. Hook it on, close, pull it through. See that? That's it. And it's not going anywhere. It's not coming out. It ain't going nowhere unless you take the little ponytail out. And that's the takedown. All you doing is finding your little ponytail back here, taking it out. Everything should come out. Everything should come out. This should be the easiest takedown you've ever had. So all you need is 2 packs of hair, $20. It was $10 a pack. 2 packs of hair. And go about your day. Green tea, Arizona, the best Arizona. Don't argue with me, argue with your mammy. Anyway. Something about doing my own hair now is it's just not for me. It's ghetto. Doing your own hair is ghetto, especially as a hairstylist. That shit ghetto. Okay, so that looks good to me. So from here, no, seriously, this looks good. Okay, so yeah, so I filled it all the way up to the top. And now we're just gonna finish the little bun part. And that's literally it. Oh no, we're gonna stretch it out a little bit because who walking around with these little Shirley Temple curls like this? But for the front, we're gonna do the same thing as the back, just on the bun part. Literally hair, crochet hook, and you want to put it through the bun because where else are you going to put it? Flip it on, pull it through, And voila. Boom. And that's all you. For the last part, I'm gonna take these last two pieces. I'm going to crochet it right at the root of my ponytail. Take it. So after you do that, just want to comb it out a little. Separate the strands, you know, because you don't want that curly, you don't want that Shirley Temple look. That's not the look we're going for. I don't like that. This is my first like official crochet style, like no braids or anything like that. Like, and I am really not mad at this. Swoop. Swoop. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I actually really love it. I'm really not mad at this. Let me tell you something. This summer, this is gonna be my go-to. Now, if you guys see me with this throughout the whole summer, just know I told y'all this is gonna be my go-to. I really love this. All right, you guys. Well, let me know what videos you guys want to see next. Comment, like, subscribe, do all of that. I'll see you in my next video.